Hello viewer, welcome today to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you some basic skills on how to add CSS on HTML document. Basically CSS is cascade style sheets. That's the full definition of CSS. It's a method in which you can use to edit your document or your page or your file in the internet. So let me just use, for example, in my last video I showed you how to create an HTML document or a website. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can edit it, how you can add some colors to text, and just some basic edit skills. So let me just open some document here. I have, it's a simple song here. Everywhere I go I praise him. It's an example song I'm going to use to show you how you edit. So on the file I'm going to open with code writer. You can open it also with your notepad. Some notepads are quite good to edit the code behind the websites. So I'm just going to use this code writer. You can find this code writer on the internet. It's a software or an application that you can use. So here it is, this page right here. I'm just going to minimize it that way, and this is the code we are using. Let me just maximize this. Yeah, so this is the code of the song you have viewed here, which is this one. Now this is the code behind it. So I'm just going to show you some basic CSS styles, for example, on how to add style on the HTML document. So here is what you do. First we open the style element here, and then we have the closing style element, and then we space out like that as an example. So for example, we want to make heading 1 to be color blue, so I'm just going to write heading 1, and then I'll open it like that, and then inside there will be color, and then I'll type blue, and then I close it like that. So this heading 1, I've declared it to be color blue. Let's take a preview and see if it has happened that way. So I just save this here, and then we open the code here, and then we refresh it. As you can see, the code, everywhere I go I praise him, has turned to blue. It's a style I've used to edit the color to blue. So you can do that to several types of lines or even the whole page. In the next video I'll be showing you how to do it on the background. So because today I'm just doing some basic, I'm just going to show you another style on how to italicize the text. For example, in this page we have this first line below the chorus. Everywhere I go I praise him, this one here. So I want to italicize it, so you just come here and then you open it with the opening tags, and then you put that sign to show that you have commanded it to italicize, and then you close it at the place where you want it to end. As for me here, I'm just going to cut this and put it at the end of I'll praise it. So it's like that. So this is the code. The paragraph, we have this opening italicization command, and then we have everywhere I go I'll praise him, and then we close it. This is the closing sign for the italics. So let's see how you're fared on that. So if I go to my page and I refresh it, yeah, you realize something has changed here. It has been italicized in this part right here. So you can just do that on the parts that you want to italicize, maybe the verses, the chorus, or what you're doing on your own page. So let me just show you one last style you can do. Maybe we can do some let's try something like how to underline a text. Let's try that. So in how to underline a text, for example, let's see here. Here is the page. I want to underline the heading here, which is everywhere I go I praise him. We have turned the color to blue. I want to put it to an underlined sentence. So here, what I'm going to do after the heading 1 command, I'm going to use a U. So I'm going to open it right like that, and then this U shows the opening of the underlining command, and then just do that. So you can see the heading 1, we have started it. We have the U command here, everywhere I go I praise him, and then we close it with the U ending command, which shows that this whole sentence will be underlined. Let's see if that has worked. So I first save that, and then we go to the page and refresh it. Here you can see it has been underlined quite very simply. So that's some basics on the cascade style sheets of CSS. We have so much more on colors, on the background color, on texts align, on text size, and quite a few. So I believe this is how our page now looks like. We have put a blue color here from this heading 1 color. We have italicized this sentence, everywhere I go I praise him. We have used the U, the I to italicize it. Then we have underlined the heading 1 using the U command, which is used to underline it. So I believe that has been of a lot of help to you. That's just some simple basic skills. On the next videos I'll be showing more and more styles to use on HTML, including even on how to use it safely, because that is quite very important when you have your own website. So thank you, and don't forget to hit subscribe to get to view more of my videos on the same on HTML.